Hi everyone! We're so excited to take you along with us to this famous seafood restaurant in Pattaya, Thailand. This branch that we went to is located in Bangkok. The place is so huge with a high ceiling. We came a bit early since the place gets crowded on the weekends. The restaurant has a pretty seaside view which you can enjoy while eating your food. You could see a lot of boats in the water. The open space makes the place cooler. Mam Aroy is famous for their seafood dishes. We just arrived here a few minutes ago, but as you can see, it's getting pretty crowded. By looking at the menu, you could see that there's a lot of Thai seafood dish options. Everything looks really delicious. Also, they serve fresh seafood here, which is even better. They have all kinds of seafood from crabs, lobsters, and shrimps. If you're a seafood lover like me, you can order one dish for each kind of seafood. In that way, you could try all of them. The price is a bit expensive, but trust me, the food is really worth it. Also, some Thai refreshments and desserts are available. When in Thailand, you must try their fresh coconut. Drink as many as you can. And I'm not exaggerating, but it's really, really good. The juice is refreshing and sweet, plus the coconut meat is so soft. For appetizer, we have fried crab meat. It comes with plum sauce. It tastes good as it looks. The outside is really crispy. And the inside is made of real crab meat. The plum sauce adds sweetness to the dish, making it more delicious. Our second appetizer will be deep fried rak loy fish with pepper and garlic. It comes with Thai hot sauce. The fish is so crispy and salty. Now, for our first dish is the oyster cake or omelette. We have been looking for a good oyster omelette for so long, so we decided to try it here. What's so great about it is they put a whole oyster and crab meat on the dish. Can't wait to try this one. So I'm adding a bit of sweet and sour sauce to it. The oyster is really fresh and delicious. The crab is really sweet and tasty. A perfect oyster cake for me. The next dish will be deep fried sea bass with Thai style green papaya salad. The fish is fried until golden and it's so crispy. The meat inside is so juicy and chewy. And adding the papaya salad makes the dish even more delicious. So far, this is our most favorite dish in this place. Next dish will be fried rock lobster with garlic. It is actually mantis shrimp. It looks like a lobster, but the meat tastes like shrimps.
It's what's that called? They don't have it in the US.
The meat is tastier and chewier than shrimps or prawns, but it has softer meat than lobsters. I could say this dish is included on my top list. It's my first time eating mantis shrimp and I wasn't disappointed. Also, we got crab fried rice. The fried rice has a huge chunk of crabs in it. Crab fried rice usually comes with cucumber and spicy sauce on the side. Surprisingly, the fried rice is not oily, so it's really good. Next we have steamed sea crabs. The shells are already cracked when they serve it, so it's easier to eat. The crabs are so fresh, it has a sweet taste and it comes with a lot of meat. Our last dish is the grilled sweet clams. Mama Roy is a perfect place for seafood lovers since they serve fresh and delicious seafood. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.